take this triangle to be isosceles due to the fact that you have radius 1 and radius 2, and you know radii are equal, so you have 42 degrees. Angle of incidence 42 degrees, done. Now they're asking about the fact if this angle emerges out of the glass. Let's say you're moving, the light ray is passing from glass to air. We have to check the rules. The critical angle is 42 degrees and I is equal to 42 degrees. So you are in this case, refraction grazing the surface. So refraction should occur as such. And the light ray is grazing the surface 90 degrees otherwise. So yes, it emerges, and you explain. Angle of refraction at I prime, I just discussed the fact that it's 90 degrees. Now angle of deviation. This is a question that some students don't know how to answer to because they don't know what angle of deviation is. It's a very simple idea. Just discuss deviation, or how many degrees the light ray deviated. You have 90 degrees. It deviated down to 42, so the deviation is 90 minus 42, which is 48. Now you have 42, it deviated up to 90, so 48 more. So you have a deviation of 48 degrees and then another deviation of 48 degrees, so the total deviation is 96 degrees. All right, in this question they ask about the deviation at I, the deviation at I prime, and the total deviation, which is the sum of both, because both are happening in the same direction. Sometimes you have deviation to the right, then deviation to the left. All right, but in this case both deviations are happening in the same direction. This is where you should add them up. So let me close this problem by reminding you the following. Every time you have a circular surface, make sure to remember that the normal is the radius. If you want to draw the normal at this point, just make sure it hits the center. The normal at this point, just make sure you touch the center. Normal at this point, just make sure your normal ends up touching the center O.